Playing a little trick on the guys since there's nothing going on. Found their boat parked, we're gonna move it.
I just want to go on record as saying that I had nothing to do with this.
Oh man, this was mostly your idea. Okay, so my dad and I just got settled in for the last half hour or so of legal here for opening day of turkey season, and there's been so little going on here that we got a little bit bored, decided to play a little prank on our buddies. Ryan and Dan had parked their boat in a separate spot, so we couldn't help ourselves but to move it, and I'll show you where we put it. It was tied up over there somewhere. Now, for some reason, Dan decided to tie off in the middle of the lake. I know he's new to the whole boating thing. It's just not smart. We're walking and I'm like, I can see the top of the boat motor and I'm like, that doesn't look like it's on shore. I didn't say anything to Ryan. And then I'm like, oh shoot. So I start walking faster, a little bit faster, like pick up the pace a little bit, and I'm like cutting in front of him. And this is all in video. We get up there and I'm like, what the shoot? And I said, I was like, it's probably fucking almond. Yeah. All I heard, like I was trying to hear what he was saying, we were kind of far away, all I heard was almond. Oh, he's swearing about almond. And like just he's like standing there and I'm like looking out through the viewfinder and he's like, I'm trying to call Nick and it goes straight to voicemail. I was like, my phone was dead anyway, we didn't have service, but my phone was dead and I see him you know, and then they're like trying to figure out what to do, and then I saw him take off his turkey vest, so I was like, oh, he's gonna swim. My dad's like, you better stop him before he swims. And then he was trying to flag down another boat. That's when I stopped him. I was like, okay, well. I was originally gonna go get a canoe off these people's property. I saw one sitting up on the hill. I was gonna go grab it.
Borrow it. It was funny.
I was gonna totally blame it on the fishermen that were staying. They were the first people I saw, so that's what I was gonna blame it on.
We'd already talked to them. Because they were fishing there and they were watching us steal the boat. And they're like doing this, watching, and I'm like, I could see him. I was like, so when we went around, we made sure we're like, hey, we're not stealing the boat, we're just playing prank. So they stopped you, just play along. Alright.
Well, I guess we could bring you your boat.
I gotta move some waters.
Yeah, babe. Yeah, there's a good one. What was that? I can't hear you. Alright. Were you about to swim? Dan, were you about to swim?
Could you move any faster? The whole front of the boat looks like it's gonna sink.
We got an interview.
Yeah.
Film the response that you had.
You guys didn't hear me?
We couldn't hear you.
We were trying. I could see your thoughts.